So hi guys, welcome to another episode of Coach Augustine. So today I'll be showing you how to register into StayCut affiliate marketing. So I'll log in now. Then I'll take it from there. So it's loading. Alright, so here we go. This is the page. This is my page online. This is my account dashboard. So these are products you can find online and sell. Okay, as for me, I'm promoting products like selling courses online. So this is ghostwriting, this crypto profit kit, and figure roadmap. There are different types of online courses you can sell on affiliate StayCut. So another page of it is my dashboard. So this is my dashboard. These are sales that I make between these 2 days. So it's showing already total earnings. So I've already withdrawn the money already. That's why it's showing $0 here. So these are the people who are registered. These are the people that buy these courses from me. And some people are still tapping the link to buy from my link. So this is phase 2 of my dashboard, where you can see all your pending successful profit and sales you have made already. So these are the people. So I'll be going next to phase 2 of my dashboard. So this is the phase 2. So you'll be seeing the recent sales I've made. Okay, so I'll go to my dashboard again and show you products. Okay, our different courses online. So this is homeschooling secret blueprint. There are different amounts. Okay, so this platform will show you the amount of commission you make and the price of the products, okay, you're about to promote. So these are many courses where you can make sales online. So the next video I'll be showing you where to get buyers, those who are in need of this product. So you understand? So I'll be showing you this particular one. So these courses online, you can promote them to individual. Alright, so by posting, you can see millions of products online: ghostwriting generator, ultimate affiliate marketing. Okay, so depends on the product you're promoting, depend on the courses. Okay, each course carries their prices here, so you can see that. So these are my students who are making sales online. You can see their testimonies, and each one of them are testifying very well. If you take a good look at it, this is our platform on X. So they are sharing their testimony of how they are making sales. This is the most bigger sales my students are making. So all of them are giving testimony of how they have been making sales. You can see $225. You can see different type of sales they are making. All of them are registering as coach and they are teaching people online. They are also making sales. So you also can become an affiliate marketer and make a lot of sales online. So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I would love you to click on the subscription button, so anytime we drop a video like this, you can be alert. So see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.